1974 Corvette Stingray. The gentleman that owns this just absolutely loves this car. It does have a real cool sound, big block motor in it. Older restoration on it, and what we ended up doing on it is he had a blowout on his passenger rear tire. So what happened is the tire had blown out and then the sidewall tread had come out, slapped the side of the quarter. Didn't get too terribly into the fiberglass, but it did chip it up, and so we ended up repairing this with these. Obviously there's no natural breaking point for the paint, so we were able to keep our repairs pretty tight down here, color, and then we ended up clear coating the whole back half of the vehicle. So we had fuel door vents, rear bumper off, but relatively simple repair. We're just down to our final QC, a little bit more polishing and detailing, and I'll be sending this one home here next week.